WooCommerce cart pages don't have a return to shop or return to a particular product button or link on the cart page. We're using Elementor and obviously inside of WordPress. Now you could add a button or a bit of text at the top or bottom of your cart page that says return to shop. But I'm going to show you how you could add a button underneath here if you wanted them to return to shop. I must stress though that when people get to the cart or the checkout, you want them to convert, so you don't want to offer too many distractions. But if you wanted to have a return to shop button, you can do it with a free code snippet. Make sure you got a code snippets plugin that you can get for free from the WordPress repository. It is worth it because it's free. Add a new snippet, give it a title, and then click the link in the video description. Go and grab that code and paste it in. There's not a lot you need to do on here because what I would say is go and paste it, activate, and you'll see what it does. And then just come back to revisit because a lot of this is just the styling. So from default, my button is going to be this dark color, not completely black. And when you hover, it's going to change color. Now, if you don't want to have this bit in, you can take it out. If you don't want to have a hover change, you can completely remove it. But I've added in a bit of styling options in here, which I hope are going to be useful. The key bit is down here. So I'm going to now put the words in of continue shopping in the button. So that's what the button will say, and it will take you over here. So if you've got a particular shop URL, you can pop that in. Maybe you want them to go to a particular product. I mean, again, be very careful because you want them to convert on the cart page. Don't have too many distractions. But this is the key bit. The URL they'll go to and what are the words. Once you're happy with that, hit save changes and then hit activate. When I go to my cart page now, I've now got continue shopping. You got proceed to checkout, which will take them to the checkout. And if you look in the bottom left of the video right now, you'll see the link there. It says checkout. And when I hover over here, can you see it's got learn web squadron with hashtag join? So that's where it will take you. And look, we get the hover effect. And look at that. I mean, I've done it in uppercase, but it looks like it's part of the cart widget rather than having a separate button above or below. This looks so much cleaner and smarter. Hey, I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.